Hey guys, welcome back to Makeup by Salad, and I'm here this week with an everyday glitter look. So no, you are not seeing the ghost of salad. Hopefully I'm going to be back weekly with more tutorials, so just make sure you let me know what you want to see. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started. First, you want to start off with your primer. Right here I'm using Too Faced 24 Hour Shadow Insurance. It's kind of my go-to. I've been using it for quite a while and I feel like it does its job. Next up, I'm taking a flat eyeshadow brush. This is the one from Tarte, and I'm going in with Transpiration from the Too Faced Better Together collaboration palette, and I'm just going to put that all over my eyelid. Next up, I'm going in with a blending brush, and I am taking the color Power Couple from the same palette and putting that into the crease of my eye and just kind of blending in and around. So this is the secret weapon in applying your glitter to making it easy, and here I'm going to show you guys step by step how it is that I do so. First, you're going to take a drop of the magic set and just put it on, whatever surface you're working on. I like using my hand. And then you're going to take whatever little flat brush you're using to apply your glitter and dip it in there. When you're applying onto your eyelids, you want to make sure to do a patting motion, not swiping. And the more you pack on, the more the glitter will show. So from here, I'm starting from the inner corner and I'm just packing on until I'm happy with the look. You'll see here that you can really build the glitter just depending on how much you really want to pack on. Once you're done packing on the glitter, we are now moving on to eyeliner. Here I'm using Heroine Make Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. This is a Japanese brand, so really just use whatever eyeliner you're most comfortable with. When it comes to doing eyeliner and wings, all I can say is practice. You start developing a steady hand and just finding out which kind of wing will complement your eye shape the most. Once you're content with your wings, we're going to move on to fake eyelashes. After the glue gets tacky, I usually start by putting it down on the center. If it's tacky enough, then it'll just stick right on and you can lay down the edges and they hopefully won't lift. And once again, with fake eyelashes, it's also just practice, practice, practice. Once your lashes are on, go ahead and take your favorite mascara and just go ahead and enhance those fake lashes with yours. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you like this video, just go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, you can move on to your next one. And if you have an idea of what you want to see me do next, go ahead and leave that down in the comments. Don't forget to follow my Instagram, Makeup by Salad, and I will see you guys next week.